Hello, South Florida. I'm meteorologist Trent Eric. A few showers off the Palm Beach coastline. Otherwise, just a 10 to 20% chance of rain here the next couple of days on an east-southeast wind. Right around 15 miles per hour. We'll be breezy here tonight and throughout the rest of the weekend. That'll keep our temperatures in the low to mid-70s here across South Florida and push us back well above normal tomorrow with a high temperature of 85. As you're planning out the rest of your weekend, going to be warm. Does not feel like winter's going to kick in anytime soon, as the first official day is Wednesday, and 81 degrees is your forecast. Or normal this time of year around 78. We get there on Friday with a 30% chance of a shower. Don't forget your forecast and radar always here at local10.com.